So this is where he is buried.
Hello Bangkok, hello Ghana. This is a walking tour of the Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park in Accra. In this video, we'll be looking at Kwame Nkrumah's first car and where he was buried, and then the famous quote from him. So sit down and enjoy this vlog. If this is your first time on this channel too, please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for doing that.
This is Kwame Nkrumah's ship. Beautiful one. Yeah. What day? This is beautiful. Okay. This is Nkrumah's car. Look at the history. So this car was given to Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, Kennedy, and then President of the United States of America. Oh, okay, that's good. Wow, it's a nice and beautiful birds. So we are still at the compound of the Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park, and this is a different view. This is a different view of the Memorial Park. So you can see the statue and the other statues. This I don't know whether they are worshiping or anyway. Yeah, so we are still covering the Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park. And yes, so this is a lane. You have some flowers there. Pass through like having a word, like entering a wedding reception. So this building has a lot of things there. Like this is the museum of the Memorial Park. So you have a lot of things there when you enter. I've already entered. I cannot go there. They said pictures and other things are not. So this is the old statue of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, and that was the first thing they were having, the first statue they were having here. But because the head and everything there, you can see the hand, right? It's broken. And this is the head. So they decided like, nah, they have to build a new one. So when you go in front of this tower or something, yeah, in front of it, they have a new built statue for him. So if you look at this, it said no pictures allowed. You cannot eat there. So we cannot enter this place. This is videos. Yeah, so when you enter here, you can see a lot of things around about Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. His sofa, couch, and a lot of things there. But you cannot enter. So in the future, if you ever come to Ghana, you can go inside there. It's free. Like you pay only, if you're a Ghanaian, you pay only 25 cedis. If you are a foreigner, you pay like you're gonna pay, I think 100 cedis or so, yeah. So you pay 100 cedis as a foreigner. It's cheap, it's cheap. It's not even up to $10. So the foreigners. So this, yeah. So this is where he is buried. This is the tomb of Dr. Nkrumah, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, the first Prime Minister and the first President of the Republic of Ghana. Yeah, so he deserves it, and this government has made this place beautiful. This place is really beautiful. If you ever come to Ghana, please don't hesitate to come to this place. Come and visit this place. It's a very nice place with beautiful scenes. You can get a lot of photography here and get a lot of pictures. Yeah. So this is the new statue of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. So this is the Kwame Nkrumah Mausoleum, Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park. Yes. So this is the new statue. So the man of Africa. Yeah. Oh, you guys are. Yeah. So this is him. Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park. Yes. So let's see the rest of the environment, the rest of the Memorial Park. It's a nice place. If you ever come to Ghana, please don't hesitate to visit it. This is the most beautiful the most peaceful country in Ghana, the most peaceful country in Africa. Yes, Ghana. And we have a lot of beautiful hotels, a lot of beautiful places that you can visit. So December, yes, this is the place where you celebrate your Christmas. So if you are planning to move out of your country this December, Ghana should be the right spot for you. Yes, and we have nice music too. So see you in December. So this is Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park. These are all his, I don't know what the arts people call it. So these are all Nkrumah pictures in different styles. Some in kente, some in suits, some in jumpers, some in whatever. They're all beautiful, they all look nice. This is Black Stars. I'm not an African because I was born in Africa, and because Africa was born in me. So those of us who live in the diaspora, yes, you are an African because Africa was born in you. You're all Africans, better come home. Let's build the country. Let's build the continent. So yeah, where the pictures are, we cannot take videos there because it is not allowed. They have a lot of things there that they don't want people to see. So we can continue from the other part of the Memorial Park.